Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click login right here. Enter in your email in this field, and you can also log in using Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will open your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Click on this three-dot icon next to Customize, then click Duplicate. After that, click on the three-dot icon of your duplicated store under the Theme Library section. Then click Edit Code, which will redirect you to this new tab. In this new tab, click on this search bar up here, type in Product, then click on main-product.liquid. Next, copy the first code in the link provided on your screen. On your keyboard, click on Ctrl+F to open this search bar. Then type blocks with an S. Then just click on Next until you see caseblock.type. Click the end of it, then click Enter on your keyboard, and then paste the code you copied earlier. Next, copy the next code in the link provided, then go back to this tab again. Click on Next again on the search bar until you see this line, which is blocks with two quotes. Click on the end of it, click Enter on your keyboard, then paste the second code you copied earlier. Then click Save up here to save your changes. Next, click on this three-dot icon up here, click Customize Theme, and go to your products page. In here on the left panel, click on this plus icon to add a block, and then click on Collapsible Description. Then lastly, just remove the previous description by clicking on this trash can icon next to it. And that is how you can add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.